Hi, today we're going to show you how to restore this desk. We picked it up from somebody who was throwing it out, decided it was just a shame. It looks good at the moment, but if we take a close-up you'll see all the watermarks on it. We're going to show you how you can restore veneer. Now you can see the surface is a bit nearer. As you can see, the veneer has got all different colours and shades. There's bits which have been like bleached with the sun, there's other bits that got watermarks on it. Here's been bleached, here's the watermarks. So we're going to rub that back with some wire wool and see if we can get it back looking good again. Then if we go down here a little bit, there's a compartment here. Whether there was a mirror in it, the mirror's broken, so we're going to repair that. And if we look down a little bit more, as you can see, this is the desk surface. You can see someone's had a mirror lying on it here, so also was wet at one stage and has left a watermark, and the rest of the surface has been bleached out. So that also needs rubbing back and putting back. What also doesn't work very well is if you try to push the desk in, it doesn't go in very well, so Mr. Sepp needs to have a look at that. Why is it not going in properly? We need to get that sorted out. And as for the rest looks quite fine. We're not going to do a lot. Perhaps we'll rub some teak oil on it. The drawers are all okay. So this is the pull-out desk part of the secretary. We've now got some fine wire wool. We're going to rub the wire wool all over the surface and see how many of the marks we can actually get out. So the desk part is now looking good. We're now going to get the other part of the secretary and we're going to have a go at that as well. Now it's time to do the drawers. We're going to rub this drawer back and the other two that we've got with the wire wool. These ones we're not going to touch at all because they're all in perfect condition. They don't look like they've been used much. There's no marks or scratches on them. And then we've got the flap where the mirror was. We've got to rub this back at the front because this does have marks along the front here. And then underneath, as you can see, there's here these strips of sticky tape that need to be taken off. And then, of course, we've got to glue a new mirror on. And now for the final job, we're going to use some teak oil and rub it on the whole of the piece of furniture. Once that's done, we're going to build the secretary back together again. And now we'll have a closer look at the secretary and see if we can see any watermarks. So here we go. First of all, the top surface, as you can see all along here, all the watermarks have gone. Down here as well. The mirror's been put into place. And then there's just the desk surface, which had got a lot of marks on it. They've now all gone as well. So, another good job this week. We'll see you in a couple of weeks.